Right, so today's topic, we're going to look at reverse percentages. Now these are different to increasing and decreasing percentages because it's given you your final amount and you've got to work backwards, hence the name reverse percentages. So it tells you that he has gained some weight and that he now weighs 88 kilograms, and this was 10% higher than his normal weight. So his normal weight was this 100%. He has now got 10% heavier, so 10% added on, and this new weight is 88 kilograms. So in total, you have got 88 kilograms is equal to this whole bar, which is 110%. So if we then work out what 1% is by dividing by 110, and whatever we do to the right, we do to the left. So we need to do 88 divided by 110. That gives you 0.8 kilograms. Then we need to multiply by 100 to get our final answer and our normal original weight of 80 kilograms. Our second question, again, normal prices have been reduced and now in the sale this pair of shoes costs £54. So our original price is the 100%. So that is our original price. It's been decreased by 10% in the sale, and that is equal to our price that we've paid, the sale price of £54. So if we had 100, we've took 10 off, we're left with 90%. So we now know that 90% is equal to £54. Just like before, we're going to go from 90 to 1% by dividing by 90. And whatever we do to the left, we do to the right. So 54 divided by 90 is 0.6. And then we're going to find 100% by multiplying it by 100. And that gives you your price of £60. Again, you can just double check. You're expecting the price to go up because you were given the sale price and you wanted to work backwards to reverse it to get your original price. Question 3, very similar. Got our 100% bar. This time it's been increased by 7%. And that total is equal to this 749,000. So that 107% is equal to £749,000. Again, we work out 1% by dividing by 107. That gives us £7,000, and then we multiply it up by 100 to get our original price, which is 700,000. Again, they wanted the value before the increase, so we are expecting our price to be lower. So looking at question 4, we've got a discount voucher offering 15% off. And it's been used, and therefore the bill has been reduced to this £36.72. So we've got our original 100% bill amount. We've took off this 15%, and we have paid the price of £36.72p. So if we think about what percentage must be left, if you do 100, take away 15, that gives you 85%. So that 85% must be equal to the price that you've paid, the £36.72p. We again work out 1% by dividing by 85, so that is equal to 0.432. We're then going to multiply by 100 to get our 100% and our original price of the bill. So then that is equal to £43.20p. Question 5. We're told that the price of a calculator, including that VAT, is £58.31, and it wants to know the amount of VAT paid. So we have the price of the calculator, which is 100%. We then have the VAT, which has been added on. So this is our calculator price, and the VAT is the 19%. And that he has paid €58 and 31 cents. So we know that that €58 and 31 cents is equal to this 119%. So we're again going to go to 1% and we're going to divide both sides by 119. This is equal to 0.4899. Now, this is the bit which changes slightly. If it wanted the price of the calculator, you would multiply by 100. However, it is asked for the amount of VAT paid by Jeremy. So if we remember the question, the VAT is only 19%. So actually, at this stage here, we only want to find out what 19% is. To go from 1 to 19, we're just going to times by 19. So I'm going to use my answer button here and times that answer by 19, and I get the final answer of 9.3084. So then we've just got to be careful. We always give money to 2 decimal places. So therefore our final answer would be €9.31. Right, so here in question 6, we've got Billy who buys a fridge. It then tells you that VAT is 20% and it's been applied to the price already, and that he pays a total of £480. So again, we've got our 100%, our original price. We've added on this 20% VAT, and we've got to our total of £480. So we now know that 120% must equal to £480. We're going to divide by 120 to get our 1%. That's equal to 4. We're going to multiply by 100 to get back to our original price of this fridge, which would be £400. Our final question. Carol is given a 10% pay decrease. Her new wage is £306 per week. So before I read the next sentence, I'm going to do the maths, which I can do. So she's got her original pay, which is 100%. She's decreased this by 10%, so that leaves her with 90%. 100 take away 10 is 90, and that is equal to this £306. So we know that 90% is equal to 306. So 1%, we need to divide our answer by 90, which is £3.40. And then we're going to go back up to our original pay by multiplying by 100, and we get 340. So what would be her weekly wage if instead she had received a 10% pay increase? So we've now got our normal pay, so her original pay, and now we need to increase this by 10%. So if you think back to my previous video, if I'm adding on 10%, I've got my 100% bar, I'm adding 10% to it, so therefore I have got 110%, which my increase multiplier would be 1.10. We then type that in our calculator and we would get our final answer of £374.